China has launched their open source AI model, DeepSeek, and the US lost $1 trillion for this reason. And it says that DeepSeek is far more powerful than ChatGPT. Does this really happen? So I will show you it practically. Let's dive into the video. So first we go to the Chrome web and search DeepSeek AI. This is the website. Log in with your Google account. After this, you can see this dashboard. Click on Start. This is similar to ChatGPT, but now let's see how it works. Here you find Search and Deep Thinking. This feature is new and we didn't see any AI tools. It doesn't only give you answers, but also describes how it thinks on behalf of your ask, which is incredible. And here you can upload any image or PDF. So now let's ask something. So I ask, tell me the 10 best skills to learn in 2025 that have the future. So it takes more time than ChatGPT. Oops, it shows the server is busy. It may be the cause of the hype of this AI tool. Millions of people trying to explore this tool. That's why it didn't reply. No problem. We will ask again. I give a prompt. 5 digital products for 2025. Ow, it responds very quickly. So the answer is quite good, but it does not show any references. Now I generally ask, write a YouTube short script on 5 morning habits. Again, it is taking time. Server busy. Let's see, it can create an image or not. Can you create image of dog? It can't create image. It tells me about the tools that can create images. So this is disappointing. I hope they will add it soon. Now I will upload an image, and I will ask about it. So I uploaded a thumbnail. It successfully recognized it. That's pretty cool. In the previous chat, I told him that I am a content creator in psychology in a self-improvement niche and gave me some short scripts. And it gave me this, which is not suitable for the short. So basically I don't like it. Now I will use the same prompt in ChatGPT. Let's see how ChatGPT responds. So ChatGPT is right far better than DeepSeek. It writes the separate points, so it's quite good. Now I ask ChatGPT to create an image and use the same prompt that I used in DeepSeek. So I copy it and paste it here. Let's see. Oh, great. It creates a very realistic image. So you see the basic comparison. Unfortunately, the server is so busy. That's why we can't use it properly. But basically in comparison to ChatGPT, I don't like DeepSeek. From a personal point of view, let me know in the comments about your experience on DeepSeek. And subscribe for AI updates.